Automation's been a goal of EAM-Mosca since I've got here. We supply machines to the market that strap and bundle loads throughout different manufacturing facilities. We also produce the strapping that runs through these machines that actually hold the loads together. One of the first things we were trying to look at was a way to automate the measurement of our strap as we produce it. Standard bots came up at the beginning of our search, and when we found that they were pretty local to us, a US manufacturer, we reached out. The first unit that we purchased was a core. What it does is it holds a key-on sensor and it will progress through our production and start to measure our strap. And the reason we went with a cobot solution is we were looking for something that we could move from line to line and also in different positions in our process. So we were looking for a way to do this in line with instantaneous feedback. We had very high success with the core, and that got us into thinking about automating our packaging. Packaging for us is probably 50% of our operators' time. They may have to pick up and pack out 300 coils in a 12-hour shift. So looking for a way to make that safer, as well as freeing up their time to be focused more on quality-related items.
These are 24/7 operations, and it's critical to maintain very high quality as well as productivity. And what the Thor cobot allows us to do is operate at labor levels that can be focused more on higher level tasks versus just the palletization of product.
Thor and the palletizing kit we have stationed at the end of our production line. It's designed to pick up and pack out 350-pound coils in a 12-hour shift off of a conveyor, move it to a packaging cell where it packages out the finished goods. Then it'll go to a standby position, allow our operators to pull that pallet out, put a new pallet in, and begin it all over again.
De primero no estábamos muy contentos porque pensaban que no iba a trabajar, que no iba a hacer su trabajo, pero ahora ya todos están contentos porque ya está levantando los rollos y no son ellos los que los levantan. Cuando llegamos por la mañana, el robot ya está trabajando, solamente tenemos que ponerle más material para que siga su operación. Fue muy rápido aprender a manejar el robot. Me gusta trabajar mucho con las personas de Standard Box porque explican mucho el procedimiento y enseñan cómo trabajar el robot. Hay muchos que quieren trabajar con el robot ahora porque no tienen que levantar los rollos, que pesa 60 libras y ayuda mucho.
We shut down the line to do the install on day one. By the time we had the line up and running, which was the next day, I think my team was already capable of designing the programs needed. It's very useful that it's on an iPad system, so we use iPads throughout our operational management system. So it's a seamless transition to go from one tablet to another tablet. So our operators took that pretty quickly. We've gone through different vendors looking for the right solution, and we eventually found that the standard bot solution answered a lot of the things for us, right? We were able to do it in stages so that we didn't have to put all this capital money up front, and the footprint is small. So this solution allowed us to fit a lot of our needs at a low cost. Once we completed the proof of concept, we immediately bought 4 more Thors, which will be installed on all of our automated lines. The goal next is to start to automate some of our manual lines to bring our winders up to a state where we can start to install Thors on the rest of those lines as well.
I think automation is the future. That's the industry we live in, and we see the power of very high-performing equipment, and we view, EAM-Mosca as well as Standard Bots being in that league to really help empower continuous operations.